Hi, this is Donna with Lone Star Travel. I'm in Puerto Vallarta this week, and the first 3 nights I'll be staying at the Villa Premier Resort and Spa. It's adult only. You can choose all-inclusive or not, and it's only about 20 minutes from the airport. Also, a 10-minute walk to the Malecon, which is their boardwalk. This happens to be the spa suite. It has a separate living room, dining room from the bedroom, fully stocked refrigerator, beer, water, and soda. Also has 24-hour room service. I would consider the cuisine here gourmet. It's definitely a laid-back property, quiet, boutique hotel with amazing service. You can even make your own mezcal drink. They give you the recipe and all the ingredients for it. But again, this is only available in the spa suites and above. They also have a pillow menu. They also give you an aromatherapy. You get to choose what smell you want your room to be. A jetted jacuzzi for two. And again, views of Banderas Bay. The bathroom boasts hair dryer, shampoo, conditioner, soap. No need to bring anything when you're coming on vacation at this property. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to send you a quote. I have the best connections at this resort. Thank you for watching.